Welcome back to Translate Ian. Have you ever felt unsure about how to greet someone in English? Whether it's a friend, a colleague, or a stranger, knowing the right way to say hello can make a big difference in your conversations. Today, our amazing teacher Hessam will guide you through the essential phrases and tips for greeting people in English. Stick around until the end for some fun practice scenarios that will boost your confidence and help you sound more natural. Let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm Hessam, and today we're going to explore the art of greetings in English. Are you ready to dive in, Nima?
Yes, I am. I always feel a bit awkward when I need to greet someone in English.
That's completely normal. Let's start with some basic greetings. The most common way to say hello is simply, hi. Can you try that?
Hi.
Great. Another common greeting is, hello. Can you repeat that?
Hello.
Perfect. Now let's talk about greetings based on the time of day. In the morning, you can say, good morning. Can you try that?
Good morning.
Excellent. In the afternoon, you can say, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And in the evening, you can say, good evening.
Good evening.
Fantastic. Now let's practice a full conversation. I'll be the person you're greeting. Hi there, how are you today?
Hi. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks for asking. Well done. You did a great job. Remember, it's always nice to ask how the other person is doing.
Yes, I will remember that.
Now let's talk about some other ways to greet people. If you want to be a bit more casual, you can say, what's up? Can you try that?
What's up?
Exactly. And if you want to greet someone you haven't seen in a while, you can say, long time no see.
Long time no see.
Great. Now let's practice another scenario. Imagine you're meeting someone for the first time. Hi, welcome to our cafe. What can I get for you?
Hi. I'd like a cappuccino, please.
Sure, and how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great, thanks for asking. Fantastic. You're getting the hang of it. Now let's talk about some common mistakes people make when greeting others.
What are those?
One common mistake is not making eye contact. It's important to look at the person you're greeting to show that you're engaged.
I see. What else?
Another mistake is using very formal language in casual situations. For example, saying, how do you do, is too formal for most everyday interactions.
That makes sense.
And remember, if someone greets you, always respond. It's polite and shows that you're friendly.
I'll keep that in mind.
Let's do a final practice. I'll be a friend you haven't seen in a while. Hey Nima, long time no see. How have you been?
Hi, Hessam. I've been good. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks. What's new with you?
Not much, just busy with work.
I understand. Let's catch up soon.
Definitely.
Excellent work, Nima. You've done an amazing job today. Remember, practice makes perfect.
Thank you, Hessam. I feel much more confident now.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to Translate EN for more useful English lessons. Keep practicing and see you next time.